Okay, good evening, you beautiful users of YouTube. You're probably thinking, why is he showing us a bag? Well, you want to know what's in the bag, that's the thing. Right, so this came today, and I thought I'd show you. This is a kit, okay? And this kit comprises, I'm going to take it apart, and you can work it out yourselves. You'll probably guess what I get apart. Okay, let's have a quick look. There we go. Can you guess what it is yet? You probably can't. So let's put that there, okay? Let's put, I don't even know what you get in the bag, because I just opened it. So you get red and black wires, big chunky ones. Have you sussed it out yet? Let's put that there. Right. This box. Hey, what? It's well packed. Right. You'll probably guess in a minute once we get this one out. Oh, that's a big piece. That's a big unit, that one. Okay. Have you guessed yet? You will now. You ready? Oh yes. That's it. And that's what we're doing. So the idea is this is going to be, I was going to make the camp, well the camper is totally, what they call it, off-grid. And I can show you that, and it still is off-grid even by fitting one of these. Oh, we've got some more stuff here. We've got connectors. So this is going to be a good learning curve. They are trip switches, which will fit in this box. This is your consumer unit. I believe that's what you call it. Probably someone out there will say, no, you're wrong, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, so that comes with all your bits inside as well. Well, that's your consumer unit, I believe. This is your external fitting unit for your plug that goes in. I've got all this because when we used to have an old van and we did exactly the same stuff with that. So you've got your cables, internal, external, whatever it is, I don't know, I'll look into that. You've got your set of trip switches and trips. So that's it, screws. You've got your other connectors there. I'll work all this out when we get to it. Oh, blimey. Also, cable ties and whatever they are, cable clips and ties and screws to put. Okay, that's good. What is this? This all comes in. Look at that, 2 sockets. Let's have a look. Screws come with them. They're very posh. Look at that, very posh. So you could probably swap this for a double if you wanted to and put USB ports on it. It's up to you. So 2 of them. The ground wire, earth wire, sorry, not ground, earth. Well, that's about it, I think. So I'm looking for any instructions. I've got a pretty good idea how it works. I'm looking for instructions. Now, sometimes the instructions are on the eBay site, and you can have a look at the instructions online. I'll have a quick look. What's in here? Okay, let me get this apart, and we'll get back to you in a sec. So there's no instructions in that, so I'm going to look online. It probably is. So you've got all your connections, which is your, oh I see, your screw fittings. So your cables or conduit or whatever you want to use. It's watertight by the look of it. No, anything in there? Nope, that's what came with it. So it must be all, I'm definitely sure, I think I've seen instructions online, but I'll have a look anyway. Right, so this is what you get. So this at a price of £69. So let's sort it out then. Right, so consumer unit, external connection box. Okay, earth leads, power leads, all your connectors, your whatever. I'll sort them out. I know they're. It's a connection block. It's probably earth, could be. Anyway, two sockets and your trip switches. So pretty good. £69 all in, delivered. There you go. So if you'd like that, I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can have a look at it. Comes complete. Has that got the screws in it? Yeah. So you have to remember which way around that goes. I mean, I think it's pretty well. If you look at it doesn't really matter on your leads. I'm sure it is that way. But I'll be doing a video on fitting this and wiring it all up, so if anybody's interested. So this will go up just showing you what you get, and then if you keep an eye on my channel, if you'd like to subscribe to it, and any notifications just down the bottom here, if you subscribe, and then you'll come up with a notification bell. If you ring that, ding a ding ding, you'll get all notifications, all up and coming videos. And there's going to be some interesting ones coming, including this. There's a fuel tank I'm putting in. I've just bought a new fridge and we're testing that out. Loads, absolutely loads to mention. All right, if you enjoyed that one, take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one.